Hello everyone, and in this video I'll be sharing 5 tips that will help you in Unity Engine. Tool number 1. Have you ever considered having too many windows in your editor? If so, if you need to focus on each of them or maximize them, just simply press Shift plus space to maximize each window that you want. Tip number 2. Locking layers. If you wanted to select multiple objects using the cursor, you might select object that you don't want to. This one layers came out. You could simply create a layer, put a layer for each game object, and log that layer. And this way, when you select a multiple game object, the locking layer game object will not be selected. Easy and simple. Tip number 3. Focus. If you want to focus on a game object in the scene, you can simply press F to focus on that game object. But if you want to keep focusing and follow that game object, press Shift plus F. This way, it will keep focusing on that game object and you will follow it. Tip number 4. If you ever wanted to organize your script and your variables, you can do that using the header and space tooltip in the script editor. All you have to do is to open two brackets, type header or even space or tooltips as the example here. Tip number 5. Destroy game object with time. Now the function destroy will simply destroy a game object. But if you wanted to delay the destroy function, simply put destroy, give it the game object, and the second parameter to the function will be the time, whether it's 3 or 4 seconds. The game object will be destroyed after a certain amount of time. I hope you enjoy the video and would like to see you next time.